another SBT model played out. Fortunately, I got whipsawed, I got chopped out, had a loser, and then I re-entered, and that was a winner. So I'll run you through the trade. What did I do? What did I do? There it is. So put the measurement tool on this move down, right? So I should have known better, right? What do I always say? Let it settle down a bit. It hit this resistance band, and I knew it likes to do a double tap, but it sucked me in. It fucking sucked me in. It was really bullish, and where'd I enter in on the first one? I think it was right here. Yeah, so I didn't get sucked in there, even though it was above the 25%. Or did I? I can't remember. Anyways, I entered my limit order. I got it in at 605. I didn't take profit when I hit that, and then it came back down, and I got stopped. You can see. Thought it'd be okay. No, got stopped. Okay, so took a loss. That's fine. Nothing's 100%. And then right there, that's what I was waiting for. I saw that. So, you know, came down, stopped people out, run on liquidity, right? And then started to reverse. And as soon as it closed above that EMA and the zero level, I went in. And because I got in early, I took profit. Where did I take profit? No, sorry, I held my position and I had my profit target at the 75% retracement. And look what happened. It came up, almost touched it, came down, came up. Thankfully, when it sold off here, I held my position. I didn't move my stop. I didn't stop myself out. It wasn't pleasant because it ran up, massive profit, but look how fast it sold off. So before I could even do anything, all my profit was gone, and I was in the negative slightly. I held my conviction. Once I saw it closing above the EMA, that gave me confidence that it's bullish. And what else makes it bullish? Okay, well, like I said, run on liquidity, closes above the 25% EMA, sorry, the 25% reversal. And yeah, what I like to look at is all the liquidity up here. Okay, there's all stops sitting up here. So the market wants to go there to stop these fuckers out. So after going down, liquidity run, where's it gonna go? Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. So this one I was able to exit at the 75% reversal level. So there, that's not a very nice line. Let me do that better. I can do that better. Oh yeah, so I got out there and I left the runner, and I didn't let it stay too long, but I did leave a runner. I was happy and I got a bit more, and I'm out. So that's a perfect textbook SCB model set up for a quick scalp. You know, first one was a loser, but thankfully I had the conviction to stick to the system. I took the second trade once I saw it closing above the EMA, and it panned out. I mean, nothing is 100%, people, okay? But this strategy, and I can say this with conviction, I've studied ICT, I've studied fair value gaps, I've studied a lot of different models. This has an extremely high win rate, especially if you're not greedy. Like if you're only looking for a bite in the middle. So look for the 25 to the 75, right? Just look for that move, for that, okay? Just look for that chunk. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's retirement. You know, don't be greedy. That's a lot. That's 605, 615. That's a 10-point scalp. That's $400 for one contract, okay? It's $500 if you had 5 contracts. Boom, within minutes. You know, if you're not happy with 10 points, you know, with your whole system determined where to enter, what's the criteria, where to take TP1, where to take TP2, how you can let your winners run. You know, this is just it's a complete scalping system package, whatever you want to call it. I don't think it gets any simpler than this for newbies to learn, or for experienced traders to take advantage of. Because I mean, many experienced traders, they don't trade this model, and it's so simple, it's so clean, it's repeatable. You know, it works on different time frames. This is the 15-second chart. I use it on the 5-second chart as well. It works on the 1-minute chart, works on the 5-minute chart. I know how much the NQ runs. When it runs, I've seen 50-point candles on the 3-minute chart. Like, that's insane, you know? So why wouldn't you scalp on a 15 or 5-second chart? It's in and out. I'm not swing trading here. Why would I enter in on a 3-minute candle with such a wide range? You know, instantly, you know, you're going to be underwater. So I'm just going to keep doing this. This is my bread and butter, as I keep saying. I love this model. I don't need to stress anymore about trading. I don't need to be forcing trades. You wait for the move to happen. That's the move there. Boom. You just wait for the move to happen. If it touches that, wait for it to settle down a bit, okay? Wait for it to settle down, like I keep saying, and I knew better. Okay? If I would have just waited for it to settle down, I would have got my entry, you know? I entered there, but it's always hard to re-enter right after you have a loss. But I knew that it can do this, and I knew that I made a mistake by entering in too soon. So I wanted to recoup the losses. It wasn't revenge trading, because the signal was still valid. The signal was still valid. I just took the second signal. First signal failed, fair enough. Nothing's 100%. Generated another signal right after. So if it kept selling off, then I wouldn't have had the signal. But it didn't. It whipped down, took out liquidity, and started to run back up. And it did what I thought it should do. And yeah, and there's a target. I've mentioned that many times, okay? These resistant levels, these purple levels, okay? That's a target. Look at that. Look at that. It tagged it. Look at that. Boom. And now it's coming back. Okay. There's a mini signal. Look at that, okay? There's a trade within a trade. Switchback system, baby. So, there's the entry. Do you see what I'm doing here? Can you see how simple this is? It just, once you see it, you'll continue to see it, and you can't unsee it. Look, there it is. High, low, crosses the 25% reversal, closes above EMA, TP1, TP2, TP3, 13 down to 24, 11-point scalp, got a runner in, and it's still moving. Like, I don't know what to tell you. It almost makes it too easy. You know, winning trade. Right after the winning trade, here's another winning trade for you. Another 11 points. You know, so that's 21 points in how many minutes? Come on. Why aren't you trading this? Who's not trading this? You're nuts not to be trading this. It's an ATM machine. And there's no pin code. You've got the card. Just start using it, okay? All right, till next setup. Laters.